This is Editor Jessie presenting Arc 1 pre-departure. Look at the sunset. 24 hours until the flight. I need a shower. I gotta be up in like 6 hours. It is 2:45, question mark? I'm unfortunately awake. It's hard.
Why didn't you tell me?
We are going to get... Why are you jiggling like that? Coffee has been achieved. Just no bag. Oh, we gotta carry it all. Good girl. Good girl. B3. What is this?
Give me your hug.
Oh, I thought it was yoga.
I'm very sad she's leaving. Because I'm just a baby. He will bring me coffee and love, joy, and chats. Yes. Oh.
Tara's watching me as I leave. Ah! Off I go on an adventure. My flight is in about 10 hours. I just drove around for an hour trying to find a op shop to drop my clothes at. No one wants my clothes, so instead I got Red Bull. We're going to dinner. Red Bull number 2. Are you recording? You know, oh, okay. Airport. 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 I'm going down the escalator. As in, my family left me. I'm an orphan now.
Hello. That's my hair. What the fuck?
Security has got through. Big deal, how do you feel?
I just hope the first one goes well. Because if the first one goes badly...
Real.
You can't bring your water, but you can absolutely buy some vodka. Ah.
And this is...
Can I pick my nose and face? What is this?
They moved the gate and the plane's supposed to be over there and it's not, and
There's no plane.
there's no plane. Where is the plane? The plane's supposed to be right there. We're boarding. Wait, where's Andressa?
She's lost because she's zone one.
She's going forever. She's not in zone 1. She's not cool like us.
They picked the better people for zone one.
This is how plane went. I got on plane. I sat next to 2 people who spoke no English, and they immediately decided to open a bag of nuts. And the only reaction I could possibly do was to make a TikTok.
Roar.
After I became TikTok famous, the plane finally decided to leave. It was delayed like an hour. And then we were given dinner. It was mid, but that's fine. And I think I really just enjoyed the bread rolls more than...
Pretty alright.
So sorry for interrupting.
That's really close.
I enjoyed the bread rolls. As you can see, bread. Here's me in the toilet, crashing out. What the heck? Hey, look, that's Lucky. And the rest of the flight was pretty cruisy. I just kind of like chilled and drank tea and bread rolls a lot. Here's breakfast, guys, breakfast. It was actually really good. Breakfast was good. Breakfast was, yeah, look at me. Yeah. You can tell the breakfast was pretty good. Tea. And then the plane landed in Doha, so that was pretty good. I liked that part of the flight. Yeah.
Playing around with like the maps and stuff. Stuff like that.
bus. A random bus.
I was about to.
Breakfast. This is not romantic.
Here comes the airplane.
I'll wear them.
Got my passport. Triple checking it for the 29th time this flight. Can't lose it.
Big dear, how are we feeling?
How we're feeling.
Oh, hey, nice.
What? 24 hours of flying does.
Beep.